Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my bathroom cleaning routine. The first thing I do when I clean my bathrooms is go ahead and get all the supplies together in my cleaning caddy and just bring it with me. It makes it so much easier. So I have tried so many other products to clean out my bathtub and my showers, and scrubbing bubbles is what I always come back to. I just feel like it cleans it the best, and I love any kind of cleaner that is kind of like a foam cleaner as well. So I think that's why I like this so much. But I'm just going to go ahead and spray my bathtubs and my showers with this and let it soak while I'm doing the rest of the bathroom. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean off the counters before I wipe them down. And I will say I have been doing a lot better lately of not leaving all my stuff out on the counter, so it's not as bad as it usually is. Now I'm just going to spray my sinks down with a Method bathroom cleaner and let it soak for a minute. And then I'm still using the Method glass and surface cleaner to clean off my mirrors. It's the only glass cleaner that I found that has a nice mint smell. And just to let you guys know, I do get most of my cleaning products, especially Method and Mrs. Meyer's, from the Grove Collaborative website, and I will leave a link in the description box where you can get $10 off your first order from them. And then I'm sure you guys can guess what I'm cleaning off my counters with. It's what I always use, the Method Granite Cleaner, and I'll leave a link to that down in the description as well. And then I have been loving the new Clorox toilet wands. I like that they're disposable. I really didn't like using the toilet brush I was using because I was using the same one every time. And for some reason to me it just felt nasty. So these are disposable and you just throw them away every time you use them. As you can see, I use this Method bathroom cleaner on pretty much everything in my bathroom. So now I'm just going to clear everything off of the bathtub. You can notice I'm dropping some stuff. And then I'm just going to use the new scrubber brush that I got. It really helps you on your back not to have to lean down in the tub as much, but as you can tell, I'm really struggling with this brush. It's supposed to turn and stuff, but I just don't feel like it gets up on the walls like I want it to. I do like it. I'm not saying I don't like it, but I ended up using something else just because I didn't feel like it was as clean as I wanted it to be. So right here you'll see I'm using this little brush from the Dollar Tree, and I'm putting some Dawn dish soap in it, and then I'm going to add some white vinegar to it, and this mixture pretty much gets anything out of everything. Just watch. And then I usually like to take an all-purpose spray and just spray it around the edges of the bathtub and use a paper towel to wipe around it because it tends to get dusty around there, and I feel like that just works the best. And then I'm just going to rinse out the tub, and then I'll be done with that part. Okay, so moving on to the shower, we do use this Method Daily Shower Cleaner. We just spray it in the shower every time after we get out, and it really just helps to where the soap scum doesn't build up as much. And then all I could think about when I was editing this clip is your girl needs to get her roots done. Thank you guys so much for watching another cleaning video, and I'm about to show you the finished product, but I do want to ask you, I do have a blue stain in the bottom of my bathtub, you may have noticed, and I think it's from a new pair of blue jeans that I've been wearing. If any of you guys know how to get denim stains out of anything, please leave it down in the comments because I really need to know how to get this out of my bathtub. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up before you leave, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!